Hey, Eric here, G1SLP. Yeah, I've just been playing around with some electronics. I've got an old laptop screen and a controller and some powered speakers, and I've just made myself a television for the shack. Cost pretty much nothing, because it's all stuff I already had. I didn't have to buy anything for this. But yeah, it works. And it works well. Well, it's not HD, but I mean, I'm working on that.
With one or two other people, and it really is to try and
so I'm just watching the Tour de France for a bit, and then I think I'll go make some tea. I'm gonna box this. I've got some board to back the screen because it's kind of fragile on its own, and I'll put it in a case so that it's like a proper screen. This is a precursor to using a Rasperry Pi, which I have, but I don't have my radio back from the menders yet. It's getting a full service and recapped and stuff. So until that comes back, I'm just playing around with electronics. This will do for the time being. Eventually I'll get it with the Pi and run data modes. Then I might acquire a larger laptop screen, or maybe get an HD telly screen and rewire this up so that I've got a television in the shack. So yeah, quite pleased with this effort. It's only been running about 10 minutes when I figured out where all the wires are supposed to go. So yeah, leave it at that. Just thought I'd share, show off a bit, maybe, show and tell, whatever. But yes, I'm pleased with today's efforts. This is G1SLP Eric in Durham, signing off. Bye.